So this is just a matter of renaming the profiles and adding them to groups, in Multilogin. So you just open up Multilogin. So in this case, let's say we're doing luxury digital. You just click on settings here, add a new group, call it luxury digital. So new group name, luxury digital, and then click this button here. Group was successfully added. Woo! Save new order. And then once that's done, then you just say we're using, in this case it's Chloe and Gabby, then you just go edit and change the free name from that to luxury digital Chloe. And then once you've done that, then you right click on the thing, click move to group, and move it to the relevant group so it's all grouped up by client. Awesome, thank you so much, bye bye.